Need a better way to organize and display your data in Baserow? Views allow you to see the same information in different ways using filters, sorting options, and custom layouts. In this guide, I'll show you how to create views in Baserow in 2026. First, sign in to Baserow and open the database table where you want to create a new view. Views are created within individual tables, so start by selecting the correct one. Next, look for the Views area near the top or side of the table interface. This is where you can manage existing views and create new ones. Click the option to add a new view. Baserow may offer different view types depending on the features available in your workspace. Give your new view a descriptive name. For example, you might create views called High Priority Tasks, Completed Projects, or Active Customers. Use filters to display only the records you want to see. You can filter by status, dates, assigned users, priority levels, or other fields in your table. Next, apply sorting rules and customize visible fields. This helps organize information in a way that matches your workflow and reporting needs. Once everything looks right, save your view. You can create multiple views for the same table and switch between them whenever needed. And that's how to create views in Baserow in 2026. Views make it easier to focus on the information that matters most without changing your original data. So experiment with different filters and layouts to build the perfect setup for your workflow. Thanks for watching.